Hagan Ali Zorgan is a humanitarian activist and resident of Adre, a town in Chad across the border from Sudan's chronically troubled Darfur region. More than 200,000 Sudanese refugees have arrived in the town in recent weeks, fleeing fighting in Darfur and attacks against civilians. They've built makeshift shelters in the countryside that surrounds Adre, as far as the eye can see.
From a humanitarian point of view, we can't just leave people to suffer like this. They are very tired and sick. The latest arrivals were stuck in Janina for more than 3 months. Some have volunteered to help cook for refugees. They've brought flour and sugar. That is humanitarian. They are our people, and we care about them.
Zorgan has started a TikTok channel to raise awareness about the refugees' plight. He interviews them and documents local efforts to help them. His channel has attracted tens of thousands of views. Residents of the towns hosting the refugees, as well as refugees themselves, have been playing a vital role in assisting those in need, complementing the international response. Nonetheless, the suffering of the refugees in Adre is great. Salima Abdallah Idris Ishaq has just arrived carrying all of her possessions. She says ethnic Arab militia groups attacked civilians and pushed them out of Sudan.
They told us that homes don't belong to us, they belong to them. They said that the country is theirs and we don't have the right to anything here.
Some refugees have lent their skills to helping those like Ishaq, who are newly displaced by the conflict. Dr. Mohammed Mustafa fled the Sudanese city of Janina, which has been ripped apart by the war 2 months ago. He now volunteers at this medical centre that non-profit set up in the Adre camp.
Since I am one of the refugees, so I see the pain of the people. We mainly targeted the women and the children because they are the most vulnerable. We have a small clinic and we have a small laboratory for minor investigation, and we have minor operation room for the wounds and cleaning and stuff, and we have a pharmacy.
The top official in Adre says helping refugees is part of the fabric of the town. It previously welcomed refugees from the Darfur War that began in 2003.
They have been living with us for 20 years now, and they have the same rights and are equal to us. They benefited from non-profits here providing health and education.
Thousands more refugees are expected to arrive in Adre in the coming weeks and months as the war in Sudan drags on. Henry Wilkins, VOA News, Adre, Chad.